Liquor was the only love I've known, but you came and rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. And you warm like a glass of brandy. I stay strong on your love all the time. Okay, let me try to play some of my originals.
All right, man. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, well, before I get started, because I can't stop this thing, I just want to tell y'all, thank y'all for coming out here.